And what about the statistics? I need some concrete figures for my article.
Marta! Hi!
Hi!
Sorry, did I interrupt you?
Oh, no, it's okay. I haven't seen you for ages.
I know! Did you disappear off on one of your journalist adventures?
Yeah, I've been pretty busy actually. I've been researching a story on green growth. And you, what have you been up to?
Oh, just the usual. Making money, contributing to economic growth and to society.
So it's going well then?
Yes! And let me show you why. Economic growth keeps our society going. In the last decade, the overall positive developments were only possible because of the increasing gross domestic product in the EU.
Maybe. Let me ask you a question. Have you spared a thought for how sustainable this growth in GDP is? We won't be able to create economic growth in the future if we've used up all the minerals and fuels, or we don't have clean water or fertile soils anymore.
Well, sure, that is important, but I wouldn't say it's my biggest concern.
Let's see if EU statistics can tell you anything about green growth. It's an economic growth that's also environmentally friendly, and as such, it could contribute a lot to the EU's sustainable development. In statistics, there's a measurement called resource productivity, which measures how many euros of added value are generated from using 1 kilogram of material.
Sounds complicated.
For example, in the year 2000, €1.22 was generated from using 1 kilogram of material, whereas in 2009, €1.41 was generated using the same amount of material.
So, this is a good trend. Resource productivity is increasing, isn't it?
Yes, resource productivity is increasing, but I'm not sure I would say it was good news for the environment, because material consumption and thus environmental degradation is growing too.
I'm a bit confused.
Look at this. Resource productivity is mathematically expressed as a ratio. It is GDP divided by material consumption. So if GDP increases more than material consumption, then the resource productivity increases. This sounds good and the figures look good, but the fact is that the real burden on the environment is heavier than before. Here you see the trends of resource productivity in the EU from 2000 to 2007. From this alone, you cannot tell how material consumption and the related environmental degradation developed. From 2000 to 2003, material consumption decreased, while GDP was growing. This is called absolute decoupling. From 2003 to 2004, material consumption grew faster than GDP. Here, no decoupling was taking place. From 2004 to 2007, we saw a relative decoupling because it was the other way round. GDP was growing faster than material consumption.
Well, there's some food for thought. It's been very useful to see Eurostat's figures for the EU.